Welcome to Crazy Cravings. KFC has something new. They call it like a teriyaki fest or something. Let's try it out. May burger, may shots na may dip, tapos may rice na may chops. First thing we're trying is the teriyaki chicken bowl. So, hindi siya kagaya ng mga alaking and sisig bowl. Instead of shots, parang ano siya. Ano ba tawag dito? Chops. Lasang-lasa naman yung teriyaki, kaya lang dahil nababad na siya sa sauce, medyo naging salty siya. Better kung ako na lang magbubuhos ng sauce later. Masyado lang madami yung rice compared dun sa meat and sa sauce. Okay, teriyaki burger. Ito lang yung original na chicken burger na may mayo and may teriyaki sauce. Medyo odd na parang may mayo na may teriyaki sauce pa, pero I think it works naman. See, hot shots or flavor shots, it's just the same old. Hot shots or flavor shots, meron ka lang dip instead of a gravy. I like the idea, hindi siya magiging soggy. Let's try it. Crunchy pa rin siya, flavorful. Siguro kung pipili lang ako ng isa, I would choose the hot shots or flavor shots with the teriyaki dip. Perfecto, or piliin nyo yung ganito na may rice. Kasi you still get the teriyaki flavor. Tapos yung crunchiness nung shots. And you got rice. May rice meal na to. The burger, I like din naman. It's the budget burger. Siguro kung nagdadrive ako, tapos I need something to eat, I would choose this. Kasi syempre hindi pa lang mag-rice meal. Pwede bang kumain habang nagdadrive? Is that illegal? Overall, I quite enjoyed the flavors. Masaya naman siya. And it's quite affordable. Everything is less than 100 yata. Pag a la carte. Let me check the receipt. Yes, everything is less than 100. So we have 85, 95, and 65. Let me know what you think, which one's your favorite, and if it's worth your money.